Guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it again. Today I'm here with a Christmas decoration haul. Oh my god. If you guys seen in my previous video, or it would probably be the previous clip before this, I took you guys shopping with me so I can buy a couple of Christmas items from Walmart and Dollarama. Yeah, so you don't know, we got cheap style for Christmas this year, right? So I bought a lot of stuff. Well, it's not that much, but it's more than usual. Well, it's not even that much, to be honest, but I'm just gonna show you guys what I bought. As I said, I bought them from Walmart and Dollarama. If you're in Canada, you're familiar with Dollarama. So I'm just gonna show you guys in no particular order, and I'll tell you guys where I bought the stuff from, like each item, and if I remember the price. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, so this is a staple. This is not a decoration, but candy canes to get the mood on for your hot chocolates, to decorate on the Christmas tree, and to just eat to be in Christmas spirit. So I got these from Dollarama, and these were $2 each. Okay guys, let me just show you guys. I should have showed you guys this first. So I bought a new Christmas tree. Yeah, can't really see it that well. It's a pre-lit one, so I don't have to worry about Christmas lights and such. So I got that one from Walmart. That was $59.99, so basically $60, and that's what I got. Well, everything's just falling. If you guys see my table right now, like, it's crazy. Okay guys, I bought some cookie cutters. I told myself I'm gonna make sugar cookies, just to get in the spirit. So I got, you see, I got the sugar cookie mix. I already got icing and stuff, and I got snowman cookie cutters. So I'm gonna be baking. So I bought, and sorry, those are from the dollar store. The cookie cutter was $3, and the cookie mix I think was like $2 or $1 or something. So I bought a Christmas tree skirt. It's literally just, it's nothing. It's just white. It's just a white Christmas skirt to put under the tree. I bought this from Dollarama. I can open it and show you guys. It literally just looks like snow. So it's just like this. It's just round, and you just put it on the floor under the Christmas tree. So I don't really have to open up all of that to show you guys. Okay. So, and that was from the dollar store. That was $2. So I got some ornaments for my new tree. So these are some nice cute snowflake sparkle ornaments. There's 18 in here. I got this for $3.98 at Walmart. They're so cute. And I got these icicles. They're called glitter icicles. This is from Walmart as well. This was $3.98. There's 20 in there. So I'm so excited for my ornaments, because honestly, this ornament that I bought, like, I've never seen this color scheme before, so I'm excited. They're so cute. So I bought these. Look at them. They're so freaking cute. There's like black, rose gold, white. Like, it's so friggin' cute. Like, I got this in Walmart. This was $8.98 in here, and there's 26 balls in here. So I bought 2 of them from Walmart. Like, guys, these are so friggin' cute. Like, I've never seen a color scheme like this before, and it will definitely match my, I have like a gray type of theme going on down here. So these will make my Christmas tree look modern. But I'm so excited. Like, I've never seen a color scheme like this. These are so mad. These are cute. These are really cute. Okay, so I got these snowflake decoration things. So glitter snowflake cutouts. So I said I'm gonna put them on like my wall, or just anywhere where I can find. These were $3 at the dollar store, Dollarama, and they're sparkly, as you guys can see. If you guys can tell, I love glam. I love sparkle. Yes. So yeah, these are from the dollar store. I got this cute reindeer. It is glitter. Yes, I got this from the dollar store as well. It's so cute, and it has the little what do you call these, like Christmas berries or whatever. It's so friggin' cute. This was $2.50 from Dollarama, and yeah, I think I'm gonna put this on either my console table or on my TV stand. So friggin' cute. There's those guys. I'm excited for these. I bought one for me and my mom. Look at these mugs, guys. They're so friggin' cute. These are from Walmart. Yo, they're so cute. This one is mine. This one's my mom. This is it was $2.97 each. So these are friggin' cute, and they're deep, and there's a lot of hot chocolate drinking with marshmallows and stuff is gonna be going on. So these are cute. So I got these fake what are they called? Poinsettias. Is that how you pronounce it? Poinsettias. These are $2.50. This one's $2.50, and this is $1.50. And I got these from Dollarama. So guys, as you can see, you can get a lot of stuff from Dollarama for a good price, like, you know. So I got these. I'm gonna put one on my console table. Like, I have a little flowers pot, and then I'm gonna put one on my island. You know, it's gonna make the place look cute. Okay guys, I told you guys that I was baking, so I bought this cheesecake pan, and I'm gonna make cheesecake because guys, we're on lockdown, so I need something to do. So cheesecake pan, and it has nice little snowflakes for Christmas Eve, and I have like a brownie pan. Yeah, it's cute, and 2 comes in each of them. And I bought this from Dollarama. These were, I don't see a price, but I'm pretty sure that these were like $3 or so. Probably like $3 or so from Dollarama, and 2 comes in each, so it's like $1.50 each. So these are nice. Okay guys, so I got this. Ooh. This little snowman. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Maybe I'll put it on my island, I don't know, but it's so friggin' cute. This is from the dollar store. It was $4, so it's so cute. Like, he's so cute. My mom was like, I'm going crazy in the dollar store, but I don't care, guys. I love Christmas. Christmas is my favorite holiday, so I had to get this. It's so freaking cute. Okay guys, so I got this Noel. Yes, it's just a sign. I don't know why I bought it. I don't know. As I said, I went crazy in the dollar store, so I bought this. This is $4 from Dollarama, and yeah, I can put it anywhere. It has a little thing here, but I'm not gonna hang it on anything. I don't know what that hole is there for. I don't know if that's supposed to hang on something, but I'm gonna put this probably on my TV stand. My mom was like, oh, you're putting too much stuff on the console table, so maybe this won't fit on the console table, but I will figure it out. But yeah, $4 from the dollar store, guys. Yes, get into it. So guys, I bought this. It's a star to go on top of my Christmas tree, and it lights up. Actually, it's battery operated. So I bought this from Dollarama. It was, I believe it was $4. Yeah, it's probably $4. I don't see the price here, but it was definitely $4, because in the dollar store, like, I think $4 is the highest price. So yeah, this is a good deal. When I was in Walmart, we seen something similar to this, and it was like $10. So we saved about $6 and got this from the dollar store. So that is the star. Glitter, of course. Okay guys, look at this. Tell me if this is not cute. Like, oh my god, this glass reindeer is so friggin' cute. I should have got more. I wish I got like 2 more. But yeah, it's like see-through glass, and I got this from the dollar store. It was $1.50. So friggin' cute. Don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna figure it out. Yeah, so cute, this reindeer. Ah, okay. So I got this tinsel. Is that what it's called? Yeah, tinsel garland. I'm gonna wrap this around my Christmas tree. It matches with the ornaments, that little rose gold color. So it's so friggin' cute. So I'm gonna use that and wrap it around the Christmas tree. So this is cute. My mom, I was supposed to buy one more for my mom so we can wrap up the stairs like in her part, because I'm decorating the basement for me, and then I'm gonna decorate upstairs for them. So this is so friggin' cute. Ah. Okay guys, So more treats. I don't even remember, like I remember picking this up, but I like honestly when I was in the dollar store buying the sugar cookie mix, I forgot that I bought this. But this is an ornament cookie decorating kit, so I don't really have anything to do during this lockdown, so I said I'm gonna make some cookies and just decorate them and, you know, make them look cute, eat them. Yeah, and it comes with icing, candy stuff, and there's little ties. I'm not hanging this on the Christmas tree even though it says ornaments, but yeah, yummy. Just to get in the Christmas spirit. I was gonna get a gingerbread house, but honestly, I'm thinking about myself. Me not have no patience with that. Okay, guys, and this is the last item. So I got this wreath to put on my door. Ooh, the bow's upside down. So I got this wreath, and I bought this from the dollar store. This was $2. Yeah. So I'm gonna hang this on my door, my basement door, so everybody knows, like, yeah, down here is getting ready for Christmas and such. Although Christmas is canceled this year, I don't care. I'm still in the spirit. I am decorating. So this is, yeah, as I said, this was $2 from the dollar store. Oh, I said that was the last thing, but I got 2 stuff. It's not really Christmas related, but they are cute. Like, it will still give the place a buzz. So guys, tell me if this is not cute. This is a candle holder. Glamorous, right? I told you guys I love glam. I bought 2 of them. And guys, guess where I bought it from? The dollar store. Dollarama. Like, don't sleep on Dollarama, guys. Look at these. So friggin' cute. These will go on my console table. I'm just looking because, yo, my console table is full, but these will go on my console tables. I just need to find candles that will fit inside of them. Every candle I was looking for in the dollar store, they were kind of big. So, I don't know. These are just so freaking cute. These are $2.50. So, guys, Dollarama is popping for Christmas. I'm telling you guys. And just in general, you can find a lot of stuff at the dollar store. Walmart is good price with certain items too. As you guys seen, those ornaments were like, they were popping, but guys, I am so excited for Christmas. Oh my god, even though we're not celebrating because it's canceled, but look at the positivity. We have to stay positive, right? So guys, thank you guys for watching this haul video. Make sure that you guys like, comment, share. Make sure you guys subscribe. Yeah, and when I say share with your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your auntie, your uncle, and everybody. Yeah, and stay tuned for the next video, guys. All right, see you later. I'm out.